his mother, Mrs. Veena, is x square years old. 5 years hence, Mrs. Veena will be 3 times old as Ashu. Find their present ages. So what we do here is that we'll assume that Ashu age is x year. It is already given. We don't have to assume it. And mother's age is x square. That is Ashu x and Veena, that is mother's age, is x square. Now the question is saying 5 years hence. Hence means after, later. Hence means addition. So 5 years later, Mrs. Veena will be 3 times old as Ashu. So we have to add the age, add the 5 years to both of them. And this is saying that the age of mother, that is Veena, x square plus 5, this is the age of Veena after 5 years. It is going to be 3 times that of Ashu. So this is our equation. So x square plus 5 we have. This will be 3x plus 15. So x square plus 5. This is 3x plus 15. Bring it here. Minus 3x minus 15 equal to 0. This will be x square minus 3x. And 5 minus 15 is minus 10 equal to 0. This is what? 10. 10 is 2 into 5. So you can write minus 3x as plus 2x minus 3x minus 5x minus 10 equal to 0. Take x common, x plus 2. Take minus 5 common, x minus x plus 2. So what do you get? X minus 5 and x plus 2 are the roots. From here you get x equal to 5 and here you get x equal to minus 2. And the age can not be negative, so x is 5. So the Ashu's present age is 5 years and the mother's age is what? It is x square, that is 5 5 is 25. This is the age of mother, this is the age of Ashu. The sum of the ages of a man and his son is 45 years. 5 years ago, the product of their ages was 4 times the man's age at this time. Okay, find their present ages. So in this question, what we do, we have already done a question like this. So the sum of the ages of man and his son is 45. So son age, if it is 45, say x, or man you can take x, son you can take x, whichever you want. So let us take the present age of man, because man would be higher. It would be higher. So man age, let us take it as x. The son age will be 45 minus x, because if you see, if we take both their ages x plus y, it will be 45. This is man's age, this is son's age. So if man's age is x, what will be son's age? Take x here, y will be 45 minus x. That is why I wrote 45 minus x for the son. Now 5 years ago, that is, we have to subtract 5 from both of these, that is minus 5 minus 5. 5 years ago, the product of their ages was 4 times the man age at that time. That is 5 years ago, the product of their ages, that is, what is the product of this age? X minus 5 into 45 minus x minus 5. This is equal to 4 times the man's age at that time. So what is the man's age? It is x minus 5. So this is our equation. This will be x minus 5. This will be 45 minus 5 is 40. 40 minus x. This is going to be 4x minus 20. 5 4 20. This is going to be 40x minus x square. This will be minus 5 into 40 is 200. I'm bringing these two here. Let us bring this to here. Minus 4x and plus 20. So we have minus x square. 40x minus 4x is plus 36. 40x we have, and we have 5x also. Okay, we have this 5x also. 200, and then we have plus 5x. I'm adding 5x. So this is 40x plus 40x plus 5x, and then we have 40 plus 5 is 45. Then you have this 4 also. This will come as minus, so it will be plus 41x. Then we have this 20 also. This 20, and this is minus 200. 20 minus 200 is minus 180. equal to 0. So what do you get? X square plus 41x minus 180 equal to 0. Let us multiply both sides by minus 1. So we'll change the sign. This will be x square minus 41x. This will be x square minus 41x, and this will be plus 180 equal to 0. Now we can write this 41 as 36 into 5, because 36 into 5 is 180. Is 180. So what do you get? X square minus 5x minus 36x plus 180 equal to 0. So x, take x common, x minus 5, take minus 36 common, x plus x minus 5 equal to 0. So x minus 5 into x minus 36 are the factors. So you get x equal to 5 here, you get x equal to 36. Now you see x is 5, so the age of the person we have taken as x. Can it be 5? Can a father be 5-year-old? No, it cannot be. So x equal to 36 is what is the logical thing we are going to take. So if x equal to 35, then what is the x is 36. X is 36. What is the son's age? It will be 45 minus x. 36 minus 46 minus 36. 45 minus 36. So it is going to be 9 years. So this seems logical. 9 and 36. So these are the ages. 36 years for man, 9 for the son. The product of Shikha's age 5 years ago and her age 8 years later is 30. Her age at both the times being given in years. Find her present age. So let us assume that her age is x. The product of Shikha's age 5 years ago, that is x minus 5. 5 years ago is x minus 5. And the product, that is multiplication, her age 8 years later, that is x plus 8. This is going to be 30. So this is our equation we have to form. So let us multiply. This is x square. This will be 8x. This will be minus 5x. This will be minus 5, it's a 40. I am bringing 30 here. X square, this will be 3x. This will be minus 70 equal to 0. Now 70 can be written as 7 into 10. So 3x can be written as x square plus 10x minus 7x minus 70 equal to 0. Now I am taking x common from here, x plus 10. I am taking minus 7 common from here, x plus 10 equal to 0. So what factors I am going to get? X minus 7 and x plus 10. See, x is 7 from here and x equal to minus 10 from here. But the age cannot be negative, we discard this. X is equal to 7 is the present age of Shikha. The product of Ramu's age in years 5 years ago and his age 9 years later is 50. Determine the Ramu's present age. So let us assume the age of Ramu presently is x. The product of Ramu age 5 years ago, that is x minus 5. 5 years ago means 5 years prior. And his age 9 years later, that is after. We have to add 15 years, that is x plus 15. This is given as 9 years later. 9 years. This is 15. So this is our equation, x minus 5 into x plus 9. X plus 9. This is 9. X plus 5 and x minus 9. X plus 5 and x minus 9. That is x minus 5 and x plus 9. This is the correction I made here, right? So we have to follow this. I'm going to complete it anyways. So this is x square plus 9x minus 5x and minus 5 is a 45. Minus 45. This is equal to 15. Now I'm bringing 45 here. X square, 9x minus 5x is 4x. And this minus 45 minus 15 is minus 45 and 15 is 60. So we have 6 into 10 is 60. So x square plus 10x minus 6x we can write in place of 4x. 60 equal to 0. X is, take common, x plus 10. Take minus 6 common, this will be x plus 10 equal to 0. The factors will be x plus 10 and x minus 6. This gives you, if you put equal to 0 minus 10, this gives you x equal to 6. Now age cannot be negative, so x is equal to 6 is the Ramu's present age. So there are certain changes I made. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their percentages. The sum of the age of two friends is 20. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. So sum of the ages of two friends is 20. That is, if one is x, the other will be 20 minus x, right? 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. 4 years, that is, let us subtract 4 from here and subtract 4 from here also. 20 minus x minus 4. And this is given as 48. So this is our equation, 48. So what do we get? X minus 4 into 20 minus x minus 4 equal to 48. X minus 4, I am writing it as 20 minus 4 is 16. So 16 minus x equal to 48. So this is 16x. This is minus x square. This will be minus 64. And this will be plus 4x equal to 48. Now this will be minus x square. Let us take it here. 16x plus 4x is 20 plus 20x. I'm bringing 48 here, so it will be minus 64 and 48. You just add them. It will be 112, and this will be minus 112 equal to 0. Now multiply both sides by minus 1. All the signs will change. X square minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. Now if you see here, this, if I compare this with ax square plus bx plus c, a is 1, b is minus 20 and c is 112. So if I take the determinant, that is b square minus 4ac, that is abc, if I take, we get a value of minus 48. So determinant is coming as minus 48, which is negative. So if determinant is less than 0, that is, we are not going to get the real roots. So this situation is not possible. A girl is twice as old as his sister. 4 years hence, the product of their age will be 160. Find their present age. A girl is twice as old as her sister. So if the age of her sister is x, the girl's age will be 2x, right? 4 years hence, that is, after 4 years, you have to add 4 years. The product of their ages will be 160. That is, you add, first of all, you add 4 years to both of them. Then you multiply, that is product. It will be 160. So x plus 4 into 2x plus 4 is given as 160. So what do you get? This 2x square. This is the equation you have to see, right? So even if what you can do here is, you can take this as x and you can take this as x by 2, and you can add 4 like this. So you can take these this way. So this is the solution in front of you. If you take this way, or if you take this way, this also doesn't matter, the answer is going to come same. X plus 4, so 2x square plus 4x, that is this 4x, plus 8x plus 4 4s are 16 equal to 160. This is 2x square plus 4 and 8 is, this is 12x. This is 2x square plus 12x plus 16. This is 16 minus 160. So it will be 160 minus 116. 116 minus 16, and this will be in minus. So what do you get? You get 10, this is 4 and 144, right? 144 equal to 0. Now divide both sides by 2. So you get x square plus, and this is 2x square plus 4x plus 8x plus 4 is 16, 160. 2x square plus 6x, I am dividing both sides by 2. Minus, now what do you get here? 2 7 is 14, 2 2 is 4, 0. Now 72 is there. What do you write for 72 to get 6? 72 can be written as, see, let me make it. This is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 21 and 6, no. 7 3s are 21, yeah. So 3 3s are 9 and 7, you're not getting it. So 7 3s are 21, 21 3, no. 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, sorry. I made a mistake. So 8 3s are 24. Now 8 3s are 24 and 3, are you going to get something? No. So let us write it as 6 4s are 24. So now you get 4 3s are 12, 12 and 6. You can get 12 and 6, 12 and into 6 is 72. So this is how you get what you have to write it here. So x square plus 16x can be written as 12x minus 6x minus 72 equal to 0. Now take common x plus 12 you take minus 6 common, x plus 12 equal to 0. So x minus 6 and x plus 12 you get. Now you get x equal to 6 from here, you get x equal to minus 12 from here. This cannot be taken because the age cannot be negative, x equal to 6. So x equal to 6, and then x is this one. What will be 2x? It will be 12. So the present age of the girl is 12 and the sister age will be 6. This is sister age. We assume it to be sister age, and this is the age of the girl. So if you do it by the way, means x and x by 2 if you take, then this will be the same procedure will be there, and the answers are going to be same. So even if you follow this procedure or this procedure, the answer is going to be same. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. First assume that his age is x. The sum of reciprocal of Rahman age 3 years ago, that is 1 by x minus 3. X minus 3 is the age 3 years ago, so we are taking reciprocal. And sum 5 years from now, that is x plus 5. We are taking reciprocal x plus 5. This is going to be 1 by 3. So this is our equation, 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 equal to 1 by 3. So let me solve it. Take x plus 5 here. Take x minus 3 here. Now x minus 3 into x plus 5 here. This is going to be 1 by 3. So what do you get? This is 2x. 5 minus 3 is 2. What do you get here? X square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 to 1 by 3. You take 3 here. So this will be 3 into, so 6x plus 3 into 2, 6. This is going to be equal to x square plus 5x. 5x minus 3x, you can write it as 2x minus 15 like this. So now bring 6 here and 6x here. So it will be negative. X square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 equal to 0. So do you get x square? Now 2x and we have minus 6x minus 15. 2x minus 6x is what? Minus 4x. And then minus 15 minus 16 is minus 21. So this is the equation. So 4x can be written as, because 7 3 is 21, so minus 4x can be written as minus 7x plus 3x. You can take x common from here, x minus 7. You can take 3 common from here, x minus 7. What do you get? X minus 7 and x plus 3. If you see, this is going to give you the negative result, minus 3. So we discard it. X equal to 7 is the age. So this is the Rahman's age, present age. X equal to 7 years.